When it comes to a workout routine to gain weight, a lot of people think it's simple. But if you really want to do it properly, you need to understand one key idea: your body only grows when you give it a reason to grow, and the support to recover stronger. Most people think gaining weight is just about eating more or lifting randomly, but that's where they get stuck, because real progress comes from combining the right training approach with the right mindset. First, you need to shift your thinking from just working out to actually training with purpose, because every session should be focused on building muscle, not just burning energy. That means prioritizing resistance training over excessive cardio, since cardio burns calories, while strength training tells your body to build size and strength. When you train, your goal is not to feel tired, your goal is to challenge your muscles in a way that forces them to adapt and grow over time. This is where the concept of progressive overload comes in, which simply means gradually increasing the difficulty of your workouts, by adding more weight, more reps, or better control. Without this progression, your body has no reason to change, so staying at the same level will keep you looking the same. Another important way to think about your workouts is focusing on compound movements, meaning exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once, because they stimulate more muscle growth and overall size. Instead of chasing fancy exercises, build your routine around simple, effective movements that you can improve over time. Now here's something many people overlook: your workout is only the trigger, not the full solution, because your body actually grows outside the gym when it recovers. That's why training too much, or skipping rest days, can slow your progress instead of speeding it up. Aim to train consistently, but give your muscles time to recover, because growth happens during rest, not during the workout itself. Another key part of your routine is understanding how hard you should train, because lifting too light won't stimulate growth, but lifting too heavy with bad form won't help either. You want to use a weight that challenges you within a moderate representative range, where your muscles are working hard, but still under control. Research shows that moderate representative ranges, like around 8 to 12 reps, are especially effective for building muscle. But here's the deeper insight: there is no single perfect number, because your body responds to different ranges, so learning how your body feels and adapts is part of the process. Now let's talk about something that can make or break your progress, and that's your calorie intake. To gain weight, you need to eat more calories than your body burns, otherwise your body simply won't have the energy to build new tissue. This doesn't mean eating anything and everything, it means being intentional with your food choices, so your body gets the nutrients it needs to grow. Protein plays a major role, because it helps repair and build muscle after training, while carbohydrates give you the energy to perform better in your workouts. Healthy fats also support overall health and hormone function, which is important for long-term progress. A smart way to approach this is to track your intake for a few days, not to restrict yourself, but to understand whether you're actually eating enough to support your goal. Many people think they're eating a lot, but when they track it, they realize they are still below what their body needs. Consistency is everything here, because eating enough once or twice won't lead to progress, but doing it daily will. Another thing to keep in mind is lifestyle, because sleep and stress levels directly affect your ability to gain weight and build muscle. Getting enough quality sleep allows your body to recover properly and support muscle growth, while high stress can interfere with your progress. So when you think about your workout routine, don't just think about exercises, think about your whole system, your training, your nutrition, and your recovery working together. And most importantly, be patient with the process, because gaining quality weight takes time, but when you stay consistent and keep improving, the results will come. Focus on learning how your body responds, instead of copying others, because your journey is unique and your results will follow your consistency. Small improvements in your training, eating, and recovery each week will add up faster than you think when you stay committed. If you found this helpful and want more simple and practical guides like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on notifications, because I can't wait to share more with you.